Hello everybody, welcome to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial about customizing your own workspace. I'm your host Buddy Blackford, and we can get started on customizing our own workspaces immediately. So what a workspace is pretty much everything you see on your Photoshop screen besides this middle part here. This is the canvas right in the middle, but all this stuff on the side, on the right, will be your workspace, and even this stuff around here you can rearrange things and everything to create your own workspace. So the first thing I want to show you is that there are already some preset workspaces that you can work with, and there's two places to find them. The first way is over here in the window drop down menu, and then go to workspace, and then here's your different workspaces here. You can click on one and it'll go to it for you. So this is the workspace that is called New in CS6, and you can tell what workspace you're on over here on the right, on the top right, and this will have the new things that are in CS6 that you can check out for yourself. Now over here on the top right, you can also quickly switch between your different workspaces here, and this is the more I feel like this is a better area to go if you want to go between your workspaces real quick. So you can pick something like typography here, and basically this has all the stuff that you need for typography if you're working in Photoshop like that. So let's create our own workspace where we have whatever we want. So I'm going to switch back to Essentials real quick, just so we can see the different types of things that we might want. And click on this again and go to New Workspace. And we're going to name this whatever you want it. And I'll name my buddy's workspace. And we got this little section here: panel locations will be saved in this workspace. Keyboard shortcuts and menus are optional. So you have the option to change up the keyboard shortcuts and then the menus up here if you would like, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to hit save. And you can make changes to the workspace now and they will be saved. So if I just want to get rid of this color one, so I can close that tab, close this tab. I'll just close a bunch of tabs, and then I'll add some more. Let's go to let's add the actions tab in here, and history. Let's delete out something. Let's delete out that group. I'm doing this by right clicking and clicking on close tab group. And now I've got my own little workspace here. If I switch back to Essentials, it'll have everything else that I previously had and isn't messed up or anything like that. I can go back to my workspace up here at the top, and it has all the things that I created myself. Now if maybe I want to change this up a little bit, I've got this floating over here. Maybe I want it like that instead of along the side. Let's go back to Essentials. It'll be back where it was in the Essentials one, and in my workspace it is over here just floating around now. So that's how that works out. Now to delete a workspace, we'll just come over here and click on delete workspace. Go to my workspace, and you can see that I can't select it because I'm currently on that workspace. So we have to move to a different workspace real quick. So hit cancel. We'll go to the Essentials here, and now let's go to delete workspace, and now I'm able to delete Buddy's workspace. Delete it, hit yes, and now it's gone. Now I don't have to worry about that. So if you're sick of looking at the new in CS6 workspace here, you can always delete it if you want to. I mean, it's not a really helpful one, but it just shows you what's new. So I like just using the Essentials and customizing the Essentials one to what I like. Now when you make changes to a workspace, it'll stay how it is even if you exit out of Photoshop. It auto saves it for you. So that's how you create your own workspaces. Fairly easy there. That's I guess, yeah, that's all for this tutorial. I can't think of anything else that would actually be in there that we need to know. Well, see you guys in the next tutorial where we're going to be talking about let's see, creating like a customized user interface. So that'll be pretty cool. See you guys in that tutorial. Goodbye.